What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Cube remote key fob. This Nissan Cube key fob is going to use replacement battery CR1620, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller Phillips head screwdriver as well as a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key and my Phillips head screwdriver. And if we flip our key over so we're looking at the back of it, we can see there's this screw right here. And I've already got this one loosened up to save just a little bit of time. But go ahead and just loosen that screw the rest of the way. Remove it. Once we get the screw out, I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver. And if we take a look off to the one side, we can see there's this notch right here. I'm just going to put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like that. And as I do that, you can see it pops this back cover off. And in the back cover right here is where our actual battery is. And for this part, I'm going to use the screwdriver just to help me get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. Once we get our old battery out, I'll grab my new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Go ahead and snap it down into that little holder and make sure it's all the way in. And then we can snap this back cover on. And then the final thing we'll need to do is to put our screw back in. And I'm just going to go ahead and get that kind of started. And I'll come back after the video and make sure that's all the way tightened up. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.